Hello, my internet friends. John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today's example will be the Excel function IsErr, also known as the IsErr function. The IsErr function requires one value argument. This function returns true if the value of the cell reference is any error except the NA error. Otherwise, it will return false. Here we have a range of values in column A. We wish to check for the presence of an error. In cell B2, enter the following formula, equals IsErr, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses. As you can see, rows 3 and 5 have errors, name and division errors. Although cell 4 contains an NA error, this error is ignored when using the IsErr function. The NA error can be tracked using the IfNA function or the IsNA function. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.